Hello. Today let's talk about another topic of housekeeping. Let's talk about cleaning. If we have to define cleaning, we can say cleaning is basically removal of dust, stain, tarnish and foreign matter. So what is exactly dust? Dust are loose particles flying in air and they are heavier in weight as compared to air. That's why they easily get settled on any given surface. So if you do dusting in a morning on a table, in evening you can again see some dust present on the surface of a table. Now what is dirt? In dirt there is a moisture present. So it is a combination of moisture and dust. So it becomes little bit difficult to remove. You need a cleaning agent to remove. Now stain occurs due to some chemical reaction, due to presence of some acid, and if you don't remove the stain immediately, it may cause discoloration. For removing stain, we need certain kind of cleaning agent. Tarnish is basically discoloration occurs to metal. We can see the discoloration of copper, silver become blackish in color, copper get greenish layer on its surface. So we need to clean the metal surface also time to time. Then foreign matters are basically content of dustbin. We can see the piece of papers, wrappers of chocolates, dead leaves, anything which comes from outside area to your given premises, that is known as foreign matter. So if you have to do a cleaning, you have to remove all these 5 things completely. Then only your area would be called perfectly clean and it look hygienic and beautiful. Thank you.